Oh, wrong model. Okay. Okay, got fuel. Fuel going. Control surfaces, yep. Water, yep. Okay, glow. We got good glow. Full throttle here. Let's crank her up. That would be a stuck. Stuck open. Ouch, fucking A. What's going on with that? What is going on here? That's better. Guess I'll check that next time. Holy crap. That was not good. Okay, so I had a stuck throttle servo. That is ass. So I pulled my fuel line off to stop it. So now I gotta try to put the fuel line back on, or call it a day. One of the two. I guess my choice. This thing looks like it's melted on there. Bit of excitement though. How do I feel about that? Is that going to stay on there? That's not going to stay on there. How do I feel about this? Could have just pinched it instead of yanking it off. I think I'm down for the count. Oh, fucking wow. Stuck open fuel flow. Well, I guess that's it for that. Oh, let's pinch that off. Well, take it back and maybe I can. Nah, fuck, I'm just done. Okay, turn this off.